Welcome, happy Saturday. All right, World Snacks Day. It's been a long time coming. We've been planning this for months. I went through the Discord suggestions. Everything is here. I don't even know where to start. I think we should start with savory and work our way to sweet. I'm gonna start with these because I've been really excited to try these. These are honey butter chips. This is a Korean snack. All right, they're really white. Super pale. It smells sweet. It's really weird. It almost smells like vanilla. They remind me of Ruffles sour cream and onion, but sweet. I wouldn't say thumbs down. They're just not mind-blowingly delicious either. Let's go. What's next? These are taito. These are from Northern Ireland, to be specific. Northern Ireland. These are looking like a beautiful color. Cheese and onion. Oh, these are good. You're about to experience greatness. Can you hear my Irish accent? The trick to a Northern Ireland accent is to swap the vowels round. The trick to a Northern Ireland accent is to... Oh, I got it! Oh! The trick to a Northern Ireland accent is to swap the vowels round. I totally hear it. I totally hear it. Okay. These are really good. Quite reminiscent of these, but not so sweet. Perfect amount of salt, and then you just get that little tinge of sweetness. All right, so we do have a drink. We're gonna open this. Brewed in Scotland to a secret recipe. 𝗵𝗲𝗿𝗲. All right, this is the iron brew. Okay, this was also part of the box, the UK box. What the heck? Ooh, it tastes like ginger ale. No, it tastes like, you know what it tastes like? It's part ginger ale, part 𝗵𝗶𝗿𝗲, like the non-alcoholic bitter or like aperitif. Tastes like a mistake. All right, this isn't bad. I've never tasted something like that. It's a cool combination of flavors. I'm gonna keep drinking that. Okay, next, I don't know how to feel about these. This snack was probably one of the most elusive of all. Deep River potato chips. I think I checked, not even exaggerating, 8 stores at this point. Could not find these. These are spicy dill pickle. I'm very nervous to try these, Chad. All right, here we go. I'm so nervous. Oh, ew. Nope. This overwhelming scent of dill. I'm probably not gonna like these after I don't know why I made that mistake of sniffing them. Nope. No way. Whoa, the aftertaste tastes like rye bread. Nah, no. That's a no for me. Isn't bad, but the first part is just gross. I will say though, if you guys find these chips, the brand, go for it. Oh yeah. Oh, home run. Home run. Depending on my mood, these would be a solid 10. Will the winter snack have any special treatment? Yes. It will have the special treatment of me finishing the bag. All right, that's a solid 10. We're gonna do a classic. This is one of my favorite all-time snacks. I didn't grow up with a lot. There were only a few things in my grandpa's house that he would get name brand because everything was, you know, the knockoff to save money. Cheez-Its and Honey Nut Cheerios and whatever brand of soda he bought. Whatever it was that was on sale. Cheez-its hold a very special, nostalgic place in my heart. I'm doing this more for me and for the people that are not from America that have never had these, because I just think they're freaking delicious. I love them with all of my heart. They're one of the best snacks ever. So, delicious. Perfectly cheesy, but not sweet. Not sweet, that's disgusting. When you get the ones that are kind of burned on the edges like that, those are the best. Always a solid 10 unless you get a bad batch. Delicious, solid 10. This is a Korean box. All right, some Korean saltine crackers. Just a saltine cracker, nothing crazy. I like how they're cooked though, because like, again, you're not gonna be able to tell very well because of the webcam, but they're a little bit brown on top. I like how it gives it a little extra flavor. You can't hate on a saltine. I would give these an 8 because they're good, they're fine. Again, this wouldn't be like my first go-to snack if I wanted a snack. All right, what's next? We're gonna try one of my other favorites, okay? This right here, top tier. These ones specifically are from Japan. And I can find them here, thank goodness. These are the best. The body of Christ. Oh my God. Okay, I have to stop. Okay, I have to stop. Last one, it was falling out. I love these. Okay, now we will move on to Brazil. Hey, did you guys see the Brazilian collar on Gray Area last night? Awesome. Whoa! It really smells like bacon. Baconzitos. They kind of look like a rice cracker. So weird. It's so weird. It's like chicharrones. They're like chicharrones, but really smoky. Okay, these are dangerous. These are delicious. I would give this a 7.5. These would be good with some drinks. We're gonna make our way to Mexico with Takis. So, Takis are from Mexico, but they're super popular here. Insanely popular here. I am a sucker for any corn flavored snack or food. Ooh. Oh my God. So, these are the hot with lime. They're delicious. I would say, you know, Takis are like a solid 8. We're moving on to sweet snacks now, you guys. All right, we're moving on to France. These are long fizz snacks, the gummy tape. Découvrez long fizz déluctus, les longues bandes de 𝗷𝗶𝗍𝗂𝘁 piquantes, au bon goût des fraises cola, pomme et pêche, avec long fizz, fait les pleines de sensations. Okay, that's all the French I got. Sounds like you sold us a fragrance. So there's different flavors of these. Ugh. Let's try the pink one first. They smell super fruity. I don't know what the flavor is. Like, fraise, strawberry, strawberry. I'd give it like a 6.5. All right, let's try the next one. Oh, yes. Ooh, sour. Peach. Oh, this is good. Peach is the best. I would actually say that's an 8. If you want like a sour, chewy candy, I would actually call that an 8. Those are good. Oh, yes, okay. We're gonna go back to Mexico instead. The best. Watermelon. Chile watermelon. Oh yeah, I cannot wait. Oh, sour. I love it. I love these things, man. Oh my god. Chili powder on the outside, hard shell. You bite into it, and then it becomes chewy. Revolcaditas. I'm gonna give these a solid 8 because I think the watermelon could be better, but I would still eat these. I love these. I love these. And now, on to one of my favorite snacks. We're going to Scotland. We're taking it to Scotland. All right, I love Walkers. They're dangerous. I do not keep them in my household. So buttery, so buttery. I'm getting really full, you guys. Ten. 10. 10. 10. 10. You can't go wrong with these. Okay, let's move to Greece. I don't know how I feel about this. Baklava from a box, dude. This is a pretty box, at least. They're mini. They're very tiny. They look too oily. No. Absolutely not. Is there chocolate in this? Who did this nonsense? Hazelnut? I'm mad. I'm mad as hell, and I can't take it anymore. If you ever have the chance to eat baklava, please get it from a real Greek or Turkish person. No imitation, no hesitation, just walk out the door. And never buy baklava in a box. Don't do it. Don't do it. I only did it for this stream because I wanted to represent my people. Terrible. We're taking it to Germany now. It's a chocolate bar though. Yeah, we're not on to the real chocolates yet. We're gonna make our way to the real chocolates, trust. I remember seeing these everywhere when I was there, and they were quite easy to find here. Pretty sweet. If they weren't so sweet, I would give it a 7. I'm gonna have to go with 6. Too sweet for my taste. We're in the final stretch. It's Saturday. I didn't forget about Poncho Saturday. All right, we're gonna move on to Italy again. This is pocket coffee. Pocket coffee. Pocket coffee. This is dark chocolate filled with caffè liquido zuccherato. I'm gonna have to eat this over the towel. I'm not gonna be able to eat this whole thing right now because I'm way too full. And that is why. That is why. Oh, it's delicious though. It even has like a slight crunchiness on the inside. I love it. It's delicious. The liquid inside is coffee. It's espresso. Okay, now chocolate. 𝗵𝗲𝗶. All right, time to eat the baby. Made in Russia. Is the baby hungry or terrified? I think there is a meme, by the way. 𝗷𝗀𝘀𝗁. I think there is a meme of me as this baby. Check this out. So I've actually never tried this. It's a super famous Russian chocolate. Percentage of chocolate. This looks like milk chocolate. Not my favorite. I mean, look, I am not a milk chocolate fan at all. I'm gonna have to give it a 5. I mean, if you like milk chocolate, you'll probably like it. For me, I'm not a fan of milk chocolate, so it's kind of difficult for me to even rate. Oh, let's try this Russian one. The last of the Russian bunch. It looks like a truffle. I'd give this a 6.5. It's still too sweet. Much better than some of the other ones, but it's still too sweet for me. All right, we're at the final 2, everybody. The final 2. We're gonna take it to Ecuador. 85% cacao organic chocolate with coconut sugar. Another delicious one coming at you. Saving the best for last. Oh, look at the bean. Whoa! Whoa! What? It's super fruity. Like, you really taste the fruit of the cacao bean. Mmm. No, it's delicious. This is delicious. I'm gonna give it a solid 9. I say 9 out of 10 because I am the type of person that prefers more bitter, tannic, dry taste over fruity, punchy taste. So, on this final tasting of World Snacks Stream, ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing it home to Switzerland. Now, I know, Lindt is a commercial brand. You can find it basically anywhere in the world. 90% is where it's at. I cannot go back. Beautiful, wonderful, amazing. Delicious. You get that very tannic, pasty feeling. For me, this texture, this feeling, this bitterness, it's a full-on 10 for me. Now I'm gonna do this. We're gonna sign off. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube if you do like it. See you guys. Bye bye. Smells like nuts.
Goodbye.